tell the Arizona homeowners a little bit about Kowalski Construction?
So we were founded by my father back in 1967, and we began as a restoration contractor, which is a little different model than most companies come into it. Most companies will migrate over into the restoration space. We started there and have continued to work in that space. In fact, we were sort of reluctant to get into any other type of work other than restoration, but we also do renovations for our clients as well. So being that we've been here in the Valley specifically focused on restoration for that length of time makes us the oldest restoration company in the state that we're aware of anyway.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona home